And here it is. Hey everyone, so in today's video we're going to be unboxing the NutriMill Harvest Grain Mill. So I've been super excited for it to come in the mail. I've been checking every day and finally it got here. So let's open it up and test it out. So here's the package that it comes in. It has really nice packaging, nice custom box. So let's crack it open. So it seems like there's a box within a box. And here it is. This is a grain mill, perfect for the home chef. World's greatest grain mill. The packaging is very nice. The NutriMill actually uses real bamboo, which is very cool. Here we have an instruction sheet. So they're actually using a unique and very hard stone for the milling process rather than stainless steel as found in other companies. So it looks like everything comes together. Here it is. It doesn't look like there's anything that needs to be built or put together. Wow, isn't she beautiful? It's an all-in-one package. It comes pre-assembled. And there's very few moving parts on this thing. Let me show you. It comes with this right in the mouth of the mill. So these are things that we can't be milling. Can't mill any chia seeds, sesame seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, hemp seeds. It's because they're too oily and they clog the mill. So one of the coolest things about this mill is how attractive it looks. It can easily stay on the countertop and not be an eyesore. One of the reasons why I was drawn to this specific machine. It does come with this brush for cleaning. But other than that, it's just a standalone product, all in one. So just put the grains on top and it's gonna mill it, and the flour is gonna come out right here. Make the freshest flour possible because you're gonna be milling the grains fresh. So now that we have it, let's give it a test. By turning this, you choose a finer mill versus a coarser mill. And whenever it's time to clean, press this button here, twist. That takes off the hopper. And what you're left with is the actual mill, and you can see the stone that is used to mill all the different grains. And to put it back on is just as easy. Line the holes, twist, and that locks it in. Got the NutriMill plugged in and ready to go. Basically ready to go right out of the packaging. Only had to take out the instructions that are here, and there was a sticker that I peeled off here. So just plug it in and turn it on. So that actually wasn't that loud. I work with other types of kitchen appliances and they're much louder than this. Soon we'll see how loud it gets when it's actually milling. So I'm going to turn it on to the finest brown that's possible. So for the first test of making my own flour using the NutriMill, I'm going to be using organic buckwheat. I'm going to be making some buckwheat flour and then making some buckwheat roti to eat along with some hummus. So one of the main reasons you want to be milling your own flours is because these grains, once they become milled, they start to go rancid quickly and lose nutritional value. But when you mill them fresh, they're a lot more nutritious, a lot fresher, and just better for you all around. So it's important to mill your own flour if you can. It's going to be healthier and more nutritious. All right, let's give this a go. Okay, so as stated in the instructions, step one is to turn it on. Now you can hear that the stones are moving in there and ready to mill. But it always says to start it before you pour in the dry grains. And just like that, in a couple seconds, we have perfect flour. So if you're looking for a super simple way to mill your own flours at home, I couldn't recommend this anymore. It works super well. Now with the flour I just made with the mill, I'm gonna be making some roti to put it to the test. Making roti is super simple. All we're gonna do is take this freshly milled buckwheat flour, add some water and a little bit of salt. A pinch of salt, and then some filtered water. So this was my first experience trying home milled flour, and let me tell you that the flavor and freshness is very noticeable. If you'd like to taste the difference yourself and start milling your own flour, well, you can save some money on the NutriMill Harvest and any other NutriMill product by using the link in the description below. You could also find the link in our link tree, or you could use our coupon code FRUITHUNTERS so you can save money and start milling your own nutritious flour today.